In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and set up ChatGPT on your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet and you're signed into your Apple ID. Then open the App Store. You'll find it on your home screen or by swiping down and using search. This is where you'll download the official apps safely and quickly. In the App Store, tap the search bar and type ChatGPT. Look for the official app from OpenAI. Checking the developer name helps you avoid lookalike apps. The official listing will clearly show OpenAI as the developer and have the recognizable icon. When you've found it, tap Get. Your iPhone may ask you to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. That's normal. Once the download starts, you'll see the progress circle fill up. Wait for it to complete to ensure a smooth first launch. After it finishes, tap Open. You can also find the app on your home screen. On the welcome screen, choose Sign Up. If you already have an account, you can log in, but for a new user, Sign Up is the right choice. You'll now choose how to create your account. You can use an email address or sign up with Google or Apple. Using Google or Apple can be quicker since it connects to an existing account, while email gives you a straightforward, independent login. If you pick email, enter your email address and create a strong password you'll remember. Aim for something unique and secure to protect your account. When you submit, the app will prompt you to verify your email. Open your inbox and look for the verification message. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click the verification link in that email to confirm your account. Keep the app open so it can recognize that the verification is complete. Next, you may be asked to enter your name. Add the name you want associated with your account. This is used for your profile and helps personalize your experience. In some regions, phone number verification might be required. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to receive a code and enter it in the app. This step helps keep accounts secure and prevents unauthorized use. Once these steps are done, you're all set. You can start using ChatGPT right away. Try beginning with a simple question or ask for help drafting a message. Explore the interface to start a new chat, view past conversations, and fine-tune your preferences. That's it. Downloaded, set up, and ready to go. Enjoy your experience with ChatGPT.